Moving to the volume of cylinders and spheres. So the volume of a cylinder can be calculated using the formula that you have in your formula sheet. Just, I want to mention something that when you're talking about cylinder, you're finding the area of the base, right, which is the area of the circle, and then you're multiplying it by the height of the cylinder, and that will give you the volume. Okay? So because your base is a circle, your volume is pi r squared, area of that is pi r squared, right? So you have the circle, right? You have the height of the cylinder, right? So the area of that circle is pi r squared, and then you're going to multiply it by the height. So your volume is going to be pi r squared h. Okay? Again, in this case, I'm multiplying the radius, which is centimeter, multiplying it twice by itself, like r squared, and then multiplying by another height. So that's 3 units, right? Centimeter by centimeter by centimeter, or meter by meter by meter. You're going to end up with Q. It's a matter of plugging in information in your formula. So a can of tomato sauce has a radius of 3.8 centimeter and a height of 10.2 centimeter. What is the volume of the can? So you're going to write down the formula, pi r squared h. The radius is given to you. So that's going to be 3.8 squared multiplied by 10.2. What do you get for that? 4,000? That looks too big.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's way too big. Yeah? 3, that's about 10, 10 is about 100, 100. No, that's too big. Yeah, yeah.
You add twice.
Yeah. She told me 4,000, so I'm not. Okay, 0.7?
Yeah. 7, 2. 400.
You're like 4. You told me 4,600. Yeah, that's okay. Like that's okay. What's a unit here? That's centimeter cube. Because they're asking you for the liter, what do? Divided by 1,000. Yeah. So 1 liter is equal to, I said it right the first time this time, 1,000 centimeter cube. So to find this in liters, you just have to divide it by 1,000 3 times, right? So 1, 2, 3. So that's 0.46272 liters.
It's hard to remember these. Transfer.
It's in your formula sheet.
I need this one that you gave us. Can we add it to the formula?
What do you need? It's already there.
There?
Yeah.
Still have problems.
Okay. A large tin can has a volume of 3,240 centimeter cube. If the can has a diameter of 15.56 centimeter, what's the height of the can? What? How did you get 17? Just guess and check. I don't know.
I just put it in the information in this formula and worked backwards.
Okay. You know the diameter, so where do you put that? Divided by half, right? Because remember that you need the radius, right? So that means you're going to have to divide the diameter by 2. So that's going to be what?
7.78.
Okay. Now you know the volume. So you're going to divide 3,240 by pi times 7.78 squared. There's two ways that you can do this. You can find the answer for the bottom and then divide this by this, which is the safest way. If you don't want to do that, make sure you put this in bracket, because otherwise your calculator is going to multiply by 7.78 squared instead of divide. So make sure that either you do them separately, do the bottom first, then do the division, or put the bottom in brackets. Okay? I want you all to try this on the calculator, please.
He's guessing.
No, yes, I did it.
He did it.
We'll look at it.
Yeah, because we know what that is.
Lost that. .04.
0.04, you're right. And then here I should put it to the decimal place because they gave you the diameter to do the decimal place. So I should keep it consistent. Right. Easy?
This is where it gets weird.
Are we okay with this? I find the volume easier, much easier than the sphere, than the surface area. That's what I meant. Oh my god! I feel like I'm oh. What's the volume of a sphere? 4/3. What?
4 pi r cubed.
Over, so yeah, 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, that's the same.
I like the other way it looks easier.
Okay, doesn't matter. They're both the same. Right? Pi r cubed.
The other way looks like you're dealing with a fraction.
I know, and it sucks, right? All right, both ways are exactly the same. So if you write 4/3 pi r cubed or just 4 pi r cubed over 3, it's the same thing. All what you need is a radius, right? All what you need is a radius. So we have the radius to be, or the diameter to be 1.2 meter. So find the volume. What do?
Divided by 2.
The radius is diameter divided by 2,
0.6.
and then plug it in.
Give me one something.
No,
Not this one.
no. Binary divided by 2.
Ah, by 3.
That's the formula.
Okay.
Yeah. Now here's a question for you. And that's totally the volume of what do you want to call it? I'm not gonna, okay, yes, I'm not going to specify because that's gonna be sort of. Yeah, I don't want to because I don't want it to be too big or too small, so I'm like, okay, the volume of a sphere is, Give me a number, 257. There you go. Centimeter cube. Find the radius